Hi, if you're looking for the most practical and popular sawmill configuration with full hydraulics, you don't want to wait for the production lead time and you don't want to spend too much money, the Wood-Mizer LT20START is a sawmill just for you. Welcome to the walkthrough video of a new sawmill from Wood-Mizer's LT20 series. Let's get right to it. The LT20 sawmill is built on a proven and classical construction of the first Wood-Mizer sawmill developed in the USA in 1982. This precise and reliable machine has been designed for startup companies, small and medium-sized sawmilling businesses, as well as individual users. It's perfect for those who look for efficient and flexible ways to convert logs to timber. So far, it's been offered as a classical version, either as a stationary or mobile sawmill with a standard or wide saw head, several power options, and some additional equipment. Today, we're introducing some new names to the LT20 series, the LT20START and the LT20 Super. The LT20START is offered as the most popular and practical configuration with standard hydraulics for easy log handling and a control panel with the Setwork for adjusting cutting height automatically. To make it available for a very attractive price, we limited the number of options to a necessary minimum, still retaining the sawmill's functionality, reliability, and cutting parameters. The LT20START is a stock sawmill, which means it is ready for immediate shipping. You don't have to wait for the production lead time. The LT20 Super version can be configured for customer-specific requirements and budget conditions. Customers can choose the bed length, hydraulic package, or more sawhead features. The Super version will not be a stock sawmill, so customers must accept the production lead time. The LT20START sawmill is available in one main configuration, with the M-size bed, the standard hydraulics, the 11 kilowatt electrical motor, and the control panel with a Setwork. The sawmill allows for cutting logs with a maximum diameter of 80 centimeters and a length of 6.1 meter. Both Start and Super sawmill versions features the same cutting parameters. The LT20START is a stationary sawmill, which means it is supposed to be installed under a roof and bolted to the concrete floor. For that reason, the sawmill legs are not adjustable. A mobile version of the LT20START will be developed in the coming months. The M-size bed frame is made in the same way as in other sawmills and is equipped with roof-shaped bed rails. The bed rails are not flat but roof-shaped to prevent the debark from building under the log. It helps to keep the right measurements while cutting. The bed rails can be optionally equipped with stainless steel protective covers. The bed length can be modified by adding bed extensions. The bed extensions come without hydraulics. The central clamp has been redesigned and now it is based on a single rod. It is practical and a rational modification that matches most sawmilling applications. The double rod central clamp is available only in the Super version. The side supports have been redesigned and now they come without the top rollers, which is sufficient for standard log turning and clamping. The rollers are available as optional equipment. The AH3 standard hydraulic package for easy log handling is powered by a 3 kilowatt electric motor with an oil flow of 11 liters per minute. It includes 3 side supports, a central clamp, a log turner, log leveling rollers, and a log loader. The LT20START has a modified control panel with the SW10 Setworks for automatically adjusting cutting height. With this device, you don't have to calculate and set manually the cutting height. The computer can do it for you. Therefore, we modify the scale on the mast, which is now a simple magnetic strip. The control panel also features a joystick for moving the saw head forward and reverse, which makes the sawmill operation intuitive and comfortable. Blade guide arm is moved electrically and is activated on the control panel. It stabilizes the blade while cutting a log, especially those with irregular shapes. Blade tension is adjusted with a screw and a gauge. Keeping the right tension of the blade allows for precise and smooth cutting. Blade lubrication system is based on an electromagnetic valve. A debarker is optional. It is recommended for sawmilling dirty logs with mud, sand, or ice in the bark. A debarker makes a preliminary cut in the log so the blade can enter clean wood. A debarker helps to extend the blade's lifetime. The LT20START uses standard 4010 mm long and 32 to 35 mm wide blades. For more information on the LT20START sawmill, please visit our website or follow our social media channels. Contact your local sales representative for a full offer on the whole range of sawmilling and woodworking equipment, a wide selection of sawmill blades, various accessories and tools. Thank you for watching our video.